She likes different foods at different times. Please give it up for Lucy Sullivan!
All right, folks. Our next author is 5 years old. He once got 2 splinters at the same time. And when he grows up, he wants to be a scientist, a spy, a builder/wizard, and a doctor. Everyone give a huge round of applause for Tommaso